everyone, Alexa here with the Duval Homestead, and today I'm going to share with you our simple farmhouse spring kitchen. We keep things really simple here at our farmhouse, so the spring kitchen is really just motivated by freshness and greenery and new things going on. So I wanted to bring in whatever I could to make that happen. I went to our local farm stand just to pick up some food that was available. It is the end of February, so we don't have a lot going on, but we did get some garlic and onion, and I always love picking up fresh food because it just tastes so much better. So we got some apple as well. I also am fermenting some carrots. These should be done in about a week. I'm really excited. I just have some salt and garlic in here, and it's gonna be really tasty. Also, we are getting a few eggs from our chickens now, which is really exciting. We only have 3 backyard chickens, so getting 2 eggs is a really big deal. Really excited to cook with these eggs probably this weekend to make pancakes. So I also got some really simple flowers from our local store, and I just put those in front of the sink. It's just so nice to have some fresh flowers around. It just brings new life, new scents, and I just love it. Next, I wanted to start drying some herbs. So I actually just bought these herbs because we don't have any quite yet. It's not summer. So I just combined some oregano, sage, and rosemary. And to dry herbs, there's a couple different ways you can dry herbs. You can put them in an oven, you can get an actual dehydrator machine, but we didn't do any of that. I'm just going to hang them. So I'm gonna just tie them at the ends with twine, and make sure you tie really tight because you're gonna flip them upside down. And then you don't want too big of a bunch because you really want to keep moisture out of the herbs so that they don't grow mold. So you just tie the ends on a small to medium-sized bundle, and then I just measured out and used 2 command hooks, these really small simple hooks, to put them around kind of my stovetop area so we can see them every day. They also just smell really good, so walking by they smell incredible, and then they should be dry anywhere between a few days to a few weeks depending on our weather here and how dry it is. I like that they're above the stove. I think that they'll get a lot of heat, and so that should work out pretty well. So that's a really simple DIY for you. Another thing I wanted to do was plant something. I'm definitely anxious to start planting, so I just thought, let's just plant something. So I got this little pot that we had from last year, and I filled it with some nice fresh dirt. We have some good dirt in our yard right now because the chickens have been pooping on it all winter, so this dirt should be pretty good. And I have a bunch of seed packets from the last summer, or the ones I bought in the wintertime. And so I just am gonna go ahead and try out chamomile. I have not tried planting this flower yet, and I love chamomile flowers. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna put them in this dirt and then see how they do right over my kitchen sink. Well, that's pretty much it for our farmhouse spring kitchen tour. I hope this encouraged you to refresh your kitchen for spring and just bring in some new life and new energy. It's the best. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, feel free to share it with someone that you think would like it too. And don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook to the Duval Homestead. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homesteading and lots of natural living from our homestead in Duval. Thank you so much for stopping by our homestead.